Hi, it's Dorota. Welcome to Polish with Dorota. In this lesson, you will learn basic phrases about the weather in Polish. When I speak to people in Poland, to my family, friends, or even when I do shopping, I very often speak about the weather. This topic is very, very common. The sun is słońce. Słońce. And the sun is shining is słońce świeci. Słońce świeci. But you can also say it the other way around, which is świeci słońce. Świeci słońce. So today the sun is shining. We will say dzisiaj świeci słońce. Also, you can say dzisiaj jest słonecznie, which means today is sunny. Dzisiaj jest słonecznie. Rain in Polish is deszcz. Deszcz. It's raining is pada deszcz. Pada deszcz. Pada, it means it's falling. And actually in Poland we usually say pada. Dzisiaj pada. And it means today it's raining. Literally, today it's falling. And of course, if it's summer or spring, you know, it's raining. But in the winter, when it's very cold, you can say pada when it's snowing. But the whole phrase, it's snowing, is pada śnieg. Pada śnieg. Śnieg means snow. Pada deszcz, it means it's raining. The rain is falling. And pada śnieg, it means it's snowing. Wind is wiatr. Wiatr. And if you want to say it's windy today, you say dzisiaj, dzisiaj means today, dzisiaj wieje wiatr. Dzisiaj wieje wiatr. Wieje means it's blowing, but actually only wind does that. That's why you can only say dzisiaj wieje. Or you can add wiatr. Dzisiaj wieje wiatr. Also, you may say dzisiaj jest wiatr, which means today there is wind. Cloud is chmura. Chmura. And if you want to say it's cloudy, you say jest pochmurno. Jest pochmurno. Dzisiaj jest pochmurno. Today it's cloudy. And when the weather is like that, when you can see a fog, you say jest mgła. Mgła is fog. Jest mgła. Once again, summary. The sun is słońce. The sun is shining. Świeci słońce. It's sunny. Jest słonecznie. Rain is deszcz. It's raining. Pada deszcz. Śnieg means snow. Pada śnieg means it's snowing. Chmura means a cloud. Jest pochmurno, it means it's cloudy. Jest mgła, it means there is a fog. If you would like to know more vocabulary about weather in Polish, if you want to know how to complain in Polish about the weather, and if you want to be able to communicate with Polish people, go to the description box and check out my course Small Talk in Polish. After completing this course, you will be able not only to complain about the weather like Polish people do, but you will be able also to communicate with Polish people in most common situations, and you will know what to ask and what to answer to questions that Polish people ask. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson. Pa pa!